Hello, my lovely people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jane. I am sitting right here today. I am going to do whatever I have to do. Today that I have the opportunity to be in this house. Who said I would not be here today? Because the boys are not here yet. Lord God, some of them have gone out. I'm saying some of them like I have 100. I only have 1, 2, 3. 3 boys. So I am here today to tell you guys about people that do investment. Hell, Chineke. Investment. It is time to invest on me. Okay? Let me tell you guys what is happening. Investment is like a pyramid. The first, maybe first or 2 or 3 people will get, the other ones will not get. Be careful the people that you are giving your money that tells you that you will use this and get this. That if you put 1 naira in the night, you will get 2 naira. Now lie you. It's not possible for you to get that 2 naira or 200 naira. Other people have to invest. And as they are going, some people will not get. I've seen all these things happen. You have to be very, very careful where you are investing. I have seen a lot of people. Now they have changed line. It's not regular people anymore. They have changed line to go and look for the celebrities. They have changed line to look for regular faces that they could use that have many subscribers so that they could use those people. And these people are letting them, allowing them to use them. Let me tell you how they are doing it. As somebody that I know, they sometime last year, they were doing something like bring 500 today, and anything they tell you to bring this 500 naira, and you bring 2 people, your 2 people will bring 2, your 2 people, the other 2 will bring. Please run away from those people. Run away from those people, because it's not just because you were able to get 2 does not mean that everybody will be able to get 2. It's not everybody that can afford to get 2 people. And if you get your own, and those people and the people that they get and the other people that they get did not get, it's sorry, I almost fell from my chair. Sorry. And if they did not get, it is a fraud. It is a fraud. So if you are a celebrity and they are using your face, they are using your platform to scam people, please get away from it. And if you are a human being like me, nobody can come and get my money like that. A human being like me, they come and tell you that you should give them $10, that in the night you will get $50, and you give it because you want to get $50. My dear, where do you want to get the $50 from? Who's going to give you $50? You know, for you to get that $50, somebody gave that money that made you give $50. What about those people? If you are not, are you doing selling? If you're not selling anything, you go and sell something, you see your money, you see it. In America, they do buy 1, get 1 free in some shops. And when you look at the price of this one, and you say, the price of this one is $1, and they tell you that you're going to get this one for free. If you can afford it, you pay your $1, you get this one right there and then, and you go. Even if it's 10 million people that come inside that store, if they say buy this one and get this one for free, that's what you're going to get. If you are doing like you are in Avon, like I do my Avon, I've already told you guys. If you are doing in Avon, these are the people, the places that I've seen when they tell you buy 1 get 1 free, you will get it. They say, but they did not tell you put your money, we will give you so. They say buy. When you buy, you get so. Do not look at all these people that are telling you put this so money, you will get so amount. Now lie. It's a lie. And the celebrities that they are using to do it, you should be ashamed of yourself, because you're probably not in those investment thing that you are doing. I saw one that my brother do. That one I like. It's land that he is trying, BVI Channel 1, that is trying to bring people people in abroad to come and buy land, and he will research the land, and if the land is good, and he will make sure that the land is good, you come, you buy your land. But when that land turn out to be, you buy this land, we'll give you this one for free, not lie. But he's not telling you that. He's telling you to come and invest in the land, to come and invest in our land, so that we will develop our land. Those are the kind of investment that you're supposed to do. But when you invest your money so that you can get bigger money, that means you're a thief. You are an ole. You want to thief, and they thief your own first. You cannot thief a thief. These people that do these things, they are very, very smart. And when they do it and they get you, they are gone. If it's a number that they used to call you, try to call that number is disconnected. But if you are able to give that money to them, expecting to get more from that money that you got, you are a thief. And I am glad that they thief your money so that you can go and start telling people not to follow all these people, because they are all over the place. And if you don't wake up and know that, some of these investments are not worth it, some of these investments are stealing, some of these investments are, I don't know what words to use. So my people, be very, very careful. Careful, yeah. Be very careful. The people that are telling you that they are doing investment, you put this today, tomorrow you will get this. You put this money. It's usually when you put this 500,000, you will get 2 million tomorrow. And you will. So if you have 500,000, why don't you go and use that 500,000 and start something that will yield you money? So I always use pure water, because pure water is the easiest thing anybody can do. Anybody can go out where they sell pure water, carry a bag of pure water that they sell 20 naira, and you sell it. Maybe they give it to you. Maybe they give it to you guys a little less, so you can sell it 20 naira. You make your money. You go and buy another one. You sell your pure water with style. It's what is killing us, that is making us invest in some of these little stupid things. It's greed. You want to be where your hand cannot reach. But if you want to struggle, because that thing that you didn't work hard, it will not last. It will not last. I am telling you the truth. And where all these things are coming from is from the church. The churches have to stop preaching prosperity. If they stop preaching prosperity and start telling you guys that you need to work hard, things will get better all over the world. Things will get better in Nigeria in particular, because they have used church to blindfold Nigerians. The Nigerians cannot see. They are the ones that will take the money that they've been saving since their mother gave birth to them and invest it so they can get, because they see that somebody just came back and the person who just bought a car and they want to buy something bigger than that person, they will go and invest in it and they will steal it from them. And then they will start crying, oh, this person stole money. The person didn't steal your money. You just want to steal the person's money, and the person happened to be smarter than you and they took it. So all these celebrities or all these big YouTubers that are allowing all these fake people to use them to advertise some things that they know inside themselves, that put this money and get this money that is not real. Please, they need to stop doing it. Stop letting these people use you. For you to do it, you need to research it very, very well, like a BVI Channel 1 always do, and he will show us how he's doing it, and before he will get those people involved, and people will come and buy, and the people will go with him, BVI Channel 1, to go and buy those lands, or with the one that Adiola is doing. Adiola will do this land thing, people will go and buy land or buy homes. Those are different than putting your money, thinking that if you put this money, that it will yield you 3 times the money that you just put. Oh, thieves all over the place. Ndoshi all over the place. So my lovely people, I just saw the investment all over the place. They will call you on the phone. Oh, come and invest this. Come and invest. If you put this, you will get this. If you, my dear, I am old. I am older than all of you that will come on and say, I should come and invest $20 so I can get $200. Where would you get the $200 to give me? The only place I invest is my job. I wake up in the morning and go and invest in my job by clocking in and put time in my job. In the next 2 weeks or 1 month, whenever it is that they're supposed to pay me, they pay me my money. That's my own investment. So if you think I'm going to use that hard-earned money and use it to give you so that I can earn something faster, that is stealing. And until you guys wake up and know that these people are stealing, and they are training you guys how to be thief. Sometimes when they do it to you, you try to say, okay, they did this to me. Okay, I'm going to try and do it. Then everything is spreading. So please stop it. It's not acceptable anymore. God bless you.